I don't like kimchi.
You like my perfect mountain shape? Yeah.
Smash that like button and hit no, do it.
Hi, my name is Simone and I'm currently interning here as a social media and marketing intern at Hero Town.
Hi, my name is Emily. I'm 21 years old and currently working in South Korea as a marketing person.
And recently I had the privilege to go and take a cooking class with Palace Cooking in Seoul.
Thank you for joining this class, and I am your host, Suyeon. Nice to meet you guys, and then especially Mother.
I immediately walked in and the vibe was just so homey. The fact that my mom was there too just made everything feel so cozy, and I was immediately ready to cook some food, try some wine, and have a good time. The first thing we did was actually to try the kimchi.
These are 3 kimchi, as you can see, is with the chili powder, but this one is, the white kimchi.
This one,
It's white kimchi that doesn't have any fermented fish, that doesn't have any chili powder. And then you try to get rid of the water with the other kimchi, but intentionally you make this kimchi with the water to enjoy this kimchi juice. Okay, taste this first. This kimchi. Really refreshing. Don't see me. I made it. I made it myself. It's the easiest kimchi you should try. Yeah.
You want to drink?
Yeah. No, this is the kimchi. The same kimchi. Same relish, but the with the chili pepper powder. Yeah, chili powder. It's got to be. Yeah. So same vegetable. Yeah. Same vegetable but different kinds, right? Yeah.
That was not spicy.
It's not that spicy.
Not spicy.
You thought that was spicy?
Really?
Really? Not that spicy.
I'm not good at
One of my coworkers didn't think that she liked kimchi,
I don't like kimchi.
but then by the end of the class changed her mind.
Yeah, it's spicy. Here we go. That's delicious.
it. Is good, right? Yeah.
Not wasted.
Actually, I don't really like kimchi, but this is really
You don't
good.
really like kimchi?
But this is actually really good.
Because you haven't tasted this good one.
Probably.
Yeah.
Got it. I thought you said American kimchi.
Alright.
That's the cabbage one, the most common one. Yeah.
That was good.
Really?
I haven't had good kimchi before this.
It's all really good.
Right?
I really love kimchi.
And then we made kimchi jon.
Okay, this is the whole ingredients. Yeah. And there's not much of cooking involved.
Thanks, Mom.
Sorry.
So we first use the this vegetable oil.
Me? Oh my god, this is too much pressure.
Yeah, in the middle. See that? So that's one of the reasons you shouldn't heat. Start.
Because it will like.
That's right. You get nervous. We want the pancake round, right? So you can still fix it.
Oh, look how pretty it is.
Yeah. And then the pan will cook everything. Okay. Cheers. One more time. One more time for Wow. Okay. Cheers.
For the gram.
Is it? Yeah.
This will go first, okay? See the edge is almost done.
Wow.
When you lift it up, it shouldn't fall apart, okay? See, and then you need to check the bottom constantly. It's getting there, right? Yeah.
Wow.
It's brownized.
Oh my god, me?
Just slowly.
You got this, girl.
Quick and slow. Quick and slow.
Quick and slow.
Yeah, quick and slow.
Okay.
So pretty.
So pretty.
Yes.
Oh, nice.
Wow. Yeah. Do you find this one is crispier? It's delicious. You know, they're more crispier than the general one, right? You could see the difference. Yes.
It was so good, like life-changing. And my mom actually made it.
Oh, she did?
When she went home, my mom made the exact same recipe because she was so mind blown by it. I can show you.
Wow. Oh my god. That looks delicious. Like, can you
Next one.
Wow.
잘 찍었어?
And then we made kimchi bokkeumbap.
With this two fat, we're gonna cook kimchi. Almost we grill kimchi.
In which I did all the work.
I had to do everything.
Already?
Just take a photo of this, then you will remember.
Pretty much in the US, like you're like.
Wow.
Oh, you go.
And because it's cold rice, okay? So break it. Let's see.
Break it, Emily.
Yeah, it's close. Yeah, it's done. Okay.
So now the rice on top?
Yeah.
Getting my
come on.
anger.
I want you need to understand taste. Kimchi pie. That's
I actually had it yesterday.
Oh,
Yeah.
season the egg.
Yeah,
So you're
season the
making
egg.
mountains?
Yeah.
Perfect mountain shape.
Yeah.
You like my perfect mountain shape?
That was the best mountain I've ever plated in my life.
Sorry. Oops, it's not on top. It's not on top.
That's alright.
Yay.
Yeah. So fixed it.
Oh no.
Chloe?
It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. Just remove it.
Yeah, well.
Ooh, that's an even better picture. Show us how Koreans eat.
Yeah.
Fast.
You see the difference. Yeah. You tell me the difference. 맛있어? 그렇게 맛있지?
Wow. The dish I enjoyed eating the most was definitely the bokkeumbap. Definitely. 100%.
Temperature more.
Okay, Simone, you want to mix it in?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, you got no shot.
Sorry.
Give you a verdict.
No one saw that.
It's not on camera, no.
Myself. Come eat.
And then we made a kimchi cold noodle, 동치미국수.
That then?
Yeah, that's good. That's good.
Oh my.
Yes.
The easiest to make was definitely the 동치미국수 because I didn't do anything. Before I said I did everything, right? I had to do everything.
I'm very sorry. There we go.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, this is.
So, when seasoning, you obviously have to use the right technique, right? So, focus. You use your arm, you bend it like a swan, okay? So you take your seasoning and you basically bend as far as you can so when you season it, it almost touches your elbow. Yep, and that's it.
And it was so easy. It was so easy. Like, I could whip that up with my microwave at home. Because that's all I got.
Cold noodles in the microwave.
Oh, yeah. Because a cold noodle deserves to be warm, too. But they're better off as warm noodles. Actually, I really like cold noodles. I don't know why I'm saying that. I actually love cold noodles.
Yeah.
In English, I don't know.
Yeah.
But
no,
국수
this
is 맞아.
all the radish kimchi.
It was so refreshing after all of this slightly not so very much spicy to me noodles and rice that we had. I can see your face when I'm looking at the camera. The amazing thing about this cooking class was that the whole point of it was to bring accessible and easy to make food to your kitchen that's also delicious and healthy. So as a student or a worker who doesn't really have time to make meals every day, these meals take maybe 5 to 10 minutes and are very nutritious and good for your body and also beautiful on the plate.
I had a lot of fun cooking with Palace Cooking Seoul, and if you ever want to try something similar or want to learn more about the history of kimchi, I would definitely recommend this class. And if you need any more details, links are in the description below. Smash that like button. Smash that like button. Smash that like. I can't say it. I can't. Okay, I can do it. Smash that like button and hit. No, do it.
Smash that like button and hit subscribe.
If you want to watch us enjoy even more Korean dishes, we're willing to try everything, so let us know and invite us.
See you next time for some more fun adventures. Bye!
Bye.